Hello everyone, this is a video on our project for HooHacks 2024, 3dera. So first let me talk about why history as a subject is important. You've probably heard the phrase, history prevents us from repeating past mistakes. People often take this for granted, but it's really true. Studying history helps us understand how the past has shaped and will continue to shape global, national, and local relationships between societies and people. But there's one problem. For many students, especially those of us like in the field of STEM, history is often overlooked as just another core class to get over with. This is because of all the repetitive reading, memorizing, and writing that often goes into learning histories in many school curriculums. So we decided to come up with a way to make learning history more interactive and immersive using a combination of AI and VR. So what is 3dera? Well, here are a bunch of historical events that you've probably heard of. These are all just simple text prompts, but 3dera turns them into immersive 3D scenes, such as this, for ancient Egypt, this one of the Titanic sinking, this one of Christopher Columbus's expedition to the Americas, and this one of the Boston Massacre. So the fun thing about all of these scenes is that you can actually enter them in VR, and once you're in the scene, 3dera plays an audio recording that summarizes the historical event once you're loaded in. So 3dera is non-deterministic, so every scene is uniquely generated while following the context of the historical event. With any given object library, 3dera can generate a scene of any well-documented or well-known historical event. And here's a quick demo.
The Great Pyramid of Giza, built around 2600 BC, is the largest Egyptian pyramid and the tomb of Pharaoh Khufu. It is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world and the only one largely intact. The pyramid, initially standing at 146.6 meters, was the world's tallest human-made structure for over 3,800 years. It was built using an estimated 2.3 million.
So how does 3dera work? The logic is separated into 4 sections: the audio generation, the skybox and ground texture generation, and then the object selection and placement. So the objects are selected by GPT from Objaverse, an object library containing thousands of models that are available for free use. They are then placed onto the scene based on the context of the historical event. The skybox, as well as the ground texture, is also generated through Hugging Face. Lastly, a Wikipedia article on the historical event is summarized through GPT and then sent into an audio recording. These components are then combined into a blend file that you can enter in VR. And here's our tech stack. Thank you for listening.